Hello and welcome to the channel. We're excited to have you join us for another insightful exploration of the industries that shape our world. Today we're diving into the very foundation of our modern world. We often take it for granted, but it's the silent backbone of our infrastructure. That foundation is cement, the binding agent that holds everything together, the buildings reaching for the sky, roads stretching across vast landscapes, and bridges around us all connecting communities all rely on this unsung hero. It's a material that's both ubiquitous and essential. But what really goes on behind the scenes, in the massive plants and complex operations? What are the processes that transform raw materials into the cement we use every day in the cement industry? It's a world of complex processes, involving high temperatures and intricate machinery, and critical business metrics that determine efficiency and profitability. In this video, we'll break down the key performance indicators, the vital signs of the cement industry. KPIs that drive the industry and influence its future, so you can understand and speak the language of cement like an expert, whether you're a new joinee or are interested to join the cement industry, an investor, or simply curious. Let's get started and decode the cement industry together. Let's start by diving into a critical aspect of cement manufacturing, the clinker factor. This is a key performance indicator that influences both the quality and the environmental footprint of the final product. The clinker factor represents the percentage of clinker present in the final cement product. It's a crucial element in determining the cement's properties and performance characteristics. Understanding this factor is essential for optimizing cement production. Clinker is the core ingredient, the very foundation upon which the strength and durability of cement are built. It's the binding agent that holds everything together. Clinker is produced by heating limestone and other carefully selected raw materials at extremely high temperatures, typically within a rotary kiln. This intense heating process transforms the raw materials into hard, nodular clinker. Ultimately, it gives cement its strength, its ability to withstand immense pressure, and provide long-lasting structural integrity in construction projects. Managing the clinker factor is a delicate balancing act, requiring careful consideration of various factors. Generally, more clinker in the mix translates to stronger cement, capable of handling heavier loads and resisting degradation over time. However, producing clinker is energy-intensive, leading to higher production costs and increased greenhouse gas emissions. To mitigate these drawbacks, plants often lower the clinker factor by strategically blending in supplementary materials. These materials include industrial byproducts like fly ash, a residue from coal-fired power plants, or slag, a byproduct of steel manufacturing. This approach not only reduces costs associated with clinker production, but also significantly lowers the overall environmental impact of cement manufacturing. Therefore, the clinker factor is a core metric, a vital indicator of both production efficiency and the overall product strategy employed by cement manufacturers. Next, the clinker to cement ratio, or CCR, gives a big picture view of how much clinker is used across all cement produced. A lower CCR means more blended cements, less carbon emissions, and lower costs, making it a key sustainability and business metric. Investors and regulators watch this number closely. It's a snapshot of a company's environmental strategy and cost structure. Now let's talk energy, specific heat consumption, or SHC. HC measures the heat needed to make 1 kilogram of clinker. Lower HC means less fuel burned, lower costs, and higher profits. Process engineers obsess over this number, tweaking kiln operations to keep it low. Even small improvements save millions. HC is a benchmark for operational excellence. Specific power consumption, or SPC, tracks the electricity used per ton of cement. High SPC signals inefficiency, old equipment, poor maintenance, or suboptimal processes. Reducing SPC is a top priority, driving investments in modern machinery and better operations. It's a key figure in plant performance reviews and investment decisions. On the commercial side, net sales realization, or NSR, is the real revenue per ton after discounts and taxes. NSR cuts through the noise of billing prices and shows what actually lands in the company's account. High sales volume means little if NSR is low. It's a crucial metric for pricing strategy and profitability. Sales teams are judged on both volume and NSR. Contribution per ton shows what's left after direct variable costs. Raw materials, fuel, power, packaging, and logistics are subtracted from NSR. It's the real engine of profitability. Management uses this to decide which markets and products to focus on. The higher the contribution, the healthier the business. EBITDA per ton, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, takes contribution and subtracts fixed costs. It's the gold standard for comparing operational profitability across companies and plants, regardless of age or debt. Analysts and investors track this number closely. A rising EBITDA per ton signals strong performance. Lead distance is the average kilometers a ton of cement travels from plant to customer. Longer distances mean higher logistics costs, directly impacting profit. Plant location is a strategic decision. Closer to markets means lower costs. Logistics teams constantly optimize routes and distribution to minimize lead distance. It's a key factor in deciding which markets to serve. Plant load factor, or PLF, also known as plant utilization, measures actual output versus capacity. High PLF means assets are well utilized, spreading fixed costs over more tons and lowering unit costs. Low PLF signals problems, breakdowns, low demand, or bottlenecks. Maximizing PLF is crucial for profitability in this capital-intensive industry. Logistics cost per ton captures every expense of moving cement to customers: transportation, loading, storage, and admin. In a commodity market, the lowest logistics cost wins. Supply chain teams negotiate rates, optimize routes, and choose the best transport modes to chip away at this cost. Even small savings here boost margins. Efficient logistics can make or break profitability. Alternative fuel rate, or AFR, measures the share of kiln heat from non-fossil sources, waste, biomass, or industrial byproducts. High AFR means lower fossil fuel use, reduced emissions, and cost savings. It's a key sustainability metric and a business advantage. Achieving high AFR requires investment and process control, but it's essential for modern, responsible cement plants. AFR is featured in environmental reports and community discussions. The blending ratio is the recipe how much clinker and supplementary materials like fly ash or slag go into each cement type. Adjusting the ratio tailors cement properties and cuts costs, since SCMs are cheaper than clinker. Quality control and R&D set the ratio. Production ensures consistency. It's where chemistry and engineering meet to create value. Dispatch efficiency measures, or TAT, show how quickly and smoothly trucks are loaded and sent out. Lower truck turnaround time means higher efficiency and happier customers. Inefficient dispatch causes bottlenecks and missed sales targets. Plants use automation, digital systems, and optimized traffic flow to improve dispatch. Efficient dispatch keeps the supply chain moving and customers satisfied. OTF, on time in full, tracks the percentage of orders delivered exactly as promised. Both timing and quantity must be right for a successful delivery. High OTF means reliable, customer-focused operations. Companies analyze OTF failures to improve processes and build loyalty. It's the ultimate measure of supply chain performance. Kiln running days counts how many days the kiln operates in a period. More running days mean higher output and revenue. Shutdowns, planned or unplanned, are costly. Maintenance and production teams work to maximize uptime through preventive care and stable operations. High consecutive running days are a badge of honor for any plant. The petcoke and coal mix is the ratio of these two fuels used in the kiln. Petcoke is cheaper and high in energy, but high in sulfur. Coal is pricier but often cleaner. The optimal mix balances cost, quality, and operational stability, and is adjusted based on market and process needs. It's a key lever for managing fuel costs and clinker quality. 4 key quality metrics, SO3, LSF, SM, and AR, are constantly monitored. SO3 controls setting time. LSF ensures the right lime balance for strength. SM and AR define mineral proportions, affecting burning, strength, and color. The lab adjusts raw mix to keep these in range, ensuring consistent high-quality cement. Quality control is a 24/7 operation. Let's recap with a simple grid, your cheat sheet for cement KPIs. Each KPI, like Clinker Factor, SHC, NSR, lead distance, has a purpose, from cost control to quality and sustainability. See how operational KPIs impact financial ones and how commercial decisions affect plant performance. Understanding these links sets experts apart from novices. Use this framework to analyze companies, ace interviews, or deepen your industry insight. That's a wrap on this deep dive into the key performance indicators that drive the cement industry, where we've journeyed through the essential metrics that define success in cement manufacturing. You now have the vocabulary, a solid understanding, and the framework to understand the industry at a professional level. You're equipped to discuss these metrics with confidence and insight. Thanks for watching till the end and investing your time with us. We truly appreciate your engagement and hope you found this video informative. We will be covering other industries like paints, telecom, FMCG, information technology, steel, pharma, banking, automobile, etc. in the other videos of the series. So subscribe to the channel, The Employee's Manual, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the informative videos when it is uploaded.